Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use the bold and underline option in Google Docs. So what is the underline and bold? Now a set of characters that are darker and heavier than normal is the bold font. So what it does is it makes the characters or the words thicker, darker and heavier. At the underline, it is commonly used to help to draw attention in a text. What it does is it just adds a line under the word or the characters. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So over here I have my Google Chrome open. Now I'm going to open the Google Drive. So let's say I want to open the Microsoft file, the Microsoft document file. So if I want to bold the text, I'm to select the text and just click on bold, the B button over here. So what it did is it just made the letters a lot thicker. Let's try again. Click on bold and it made the words thicker. So if we unbold them and just bold the first line, then you will be able to see the differences. So now the text is heavier and darker. Now if you want to use the underline, you can just select this line and just click on the underline button or the option. Now there is a line under this line. So this is the underline option. It just adds a line under this. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have learned how to use the bold and underline option in Google Docs. So thank you for watching.